Like this, but the slime of the week is this. Because I just left it out to dry and look. Look how pretty it looks though. It looks like a pot pie or something. Such an avian, be quiet, I'm not kidding. That was my brother, he's super annoying. Don't follow him. So I'm making this pretty slime and see, these are my orders. Kato Ocean Slime, Myra Ocean Slime, Yachty Ocean Slime. And and so I'm just making these slimes, and I already added glue to this ocean slime. I don't know for whoever, because they're all ocean slimes. And ocean slime is just, so it's glue, shaving cream, and then some blue and green food coloring, blue and green food coloring mixed together, and it makes a pretty little color. And then you're gonna add some contact solution. Just keep on adding some at a time, and it'll start getting the way it should. I'm gonna be right back.
How much balls do you want?
And guys, if you're ever making a home slime and it turns out just like this, you can add some more of the shaving cream in order to make it like poofy. So let me show you. Who's that, Mom? Okay, so yeah, it's like that. And you gotta add it and mix it really good and add some more eye contact solution and it'll turn out just fine. It was funny because I tried to lick it because I forgot it wasn't something good. And let me just mix it around because I have a secret. If your slime ever turns out bad, just like put some shaving cream and eye contact solution and it'll turn out actually good. Because look at this, isn't this beautiful? I love this. Isn't this beautiful, guys?
It's not, it's ugly.
I mean, yeah, because see, now it's like getting that way. I'm gonna be right back, okay, guys? As y'all guys also know, this is my slime. Avian's in my room being a little crybaby playing football. And so, yeah.
Stop, nobody's gonna like her. I can see you.
I saw that too.
Mother, you're a beauty baby. Right, chicken.
So yeah, guys, it's gonna turn out like this, and then you can just play with it, and this is really good slime. So
that's not fake slime. She put sticky stuff and she put food coloring.
No, I don't. He's lying. If you could see, I just made this by myself. I'll make another video to prove it. But that is all for today, guys.